Hello students, I am back again with some more words to enrich your word power, and we will continue with few synonyms. Synonyms, that is words with same meanings. The first word for today is cordial. Cordial means friendly, warm, gracious. The next word for today, criterion. Criterion means the standard, the set of rules, the test. This is the meaning of criterion. The next nice word, crucial. Crucial followed with some meanings, critical, essential. English is a crucial topic for the exams. Important, urgent. And students, I have told you earlier in my earlier video also that whenever you learn new words, please practice them in the form of sentences. Use that word in your own sentence. This will enhance your learning for new words. Moving on to the next word, cunning. Meanings, crafty, sly, scheming, deceptive. Few words for cunning. Next one, dangerous, easy one. Some words for it, risky, hazardous. A new word for some of the students, perilous and unsafe. These are the meanings of the word dangerous. Deceive, common meaning, cheat, dhoka. Synonyms, mislead, delude, dupe. Dupe is again cheat. So, deceive means to cheat. Never deceive anyone in life. Use such sentences, so you will always be able to retain the words whenever you want them to be used. Decisive, determined, firm, resolute and conclusive. These are the words for decisive. Next one, declare. Declare means to announce, to proclaim, to assert. Next, decline, decrease, to lessen, to lower. This is the meaning of the word decline, downwards. And decrease, reduce, lower or diminish. So, word can have many synonyms and you should know many of them as well. Moving on to the next set, deficient. Deficient is to lack. Lack is kami, shortage, wanting, insufficient or short, that is shortage. This short is not short and long, this is shortage. Next, deliberately, intentionally, purposefully and willfully. Deliberately, I have taken this word so that you will be able to use it if asked in the exam as well. Next, demonstrate, to display, to exhibit, to show or to illustrate. This is or these are the meanings of the word demonstrate. Next, denounce, condemn, criticize, rebuke. So, rebuke is a nice term for denounce. Deteriorate, that is decline, or degenerate are the words for deteriorate. Didactic, instructive, moralizing. These are the few words for didactic. Diffident. Diffident is yes, yeah. Diffident means it is the opposite of confident. And other words, hesitant, withdrawn, bashful, shy, coy. Some nice words for the term diffident. The literal meaning is opposite of confident. Diligent, industrious, hardworking or persevering. You should be industrious always. Discretion is judgment or wisdom. So friends, there are lots of words we have to learn and practice. Disgrace, dishonor, shame, embarrassment or humiliation. Humiliation means disgrace or dishonor. And divulge, to reveal, to expose or to disclose. To disclose something is to reveal something. To show, to open is divulge. Next words, economical, frugal, thrifty. Next, efficient, capable, competent or productive. These are the few words for efficient. Elegant, refined, tasteful, dignified. These are the words for elegant. Yes. He walks in an elegant way. Elementary, easy word, basics, the primary or the fundamentals. Eminent, important, well known, famous, renowned, prominent or celebrated. These are some nice terms for eminent. Energetic, yes, active, vigorous, lively, dynamic. These are the terms for energetic. Yes. Enhance, enrich, improve, magnify, heighten or intensify. These are some words for the term enhance. I hope the things are clear enough. Yes. Enormous, huge, giant, immense, gigantic, and one more word is that colossal. There are many terms for enormous. Very quickly coming on to this word, colossal is again a synonym for enormous. COLOSSAL. Next word, very quickly, enthusiasm. Yes, we should always be enthusiastic in our studies, in our play or whatever work we want to do. The meanings: zeal, eagerness, fervour, passion. These are few words for enthusiasm. Next, eradicate, destroy, remove, uproot, जड़ से उखाड़ देना is the literal Hindi meaning, and that means eradicate. We must try to eradicate illiteracy from our society. Particularly the young generation can help it. Next, exaggerate, overstate, magnify or inflate. These are a few words for exaggerate. Next word, very quickly, exceptional. Exceptional means rare, unusual, uncommon. These are a few words for exceptional. Extraordinary, unique, uncustomary. Synonyms again for this term exceptional. So there are lots and lots of synonyms for a particular word. Extravagant, lavish, wasteful, excessive. Extravagant means Hindi term kharchila. Opposite becomes miser. Miser is कंजूस, a person who does not spend money. Extravagant is lavish, wasteful, who spends unnecessary money. फिजूल खर्चीला. Ecstasy, elated, euphoria and exhilaration. These are some terms for ecstasy. Next, emphasis, aggressiveness, forcefulness and with intensity. पूरे जोश से is emphasis. Next, exalt, glorify, praise, extol, a nice word. Celebrate, admire are the synonyms for exalt. Fabulous, marvelous, amazing, remarkable. It was a remarkable performance from all my students. Fabulous performance. Faithful, reliable, trustworthy, loyal, devoted. Next, false, easy word, untrue, but some indifferent words, spurious and erroneous. Some words, synonyms for an easy word, false. Fatal, fatal is something that leads to death. Lethal, mortal or deadly. He met with a fatal accident. What does this statement mean? His accident was such that it resulted in the cause of his death. Fatal accident. Next, fictitious, false, untrue, imaginary, fiction, fictitious. Fine enough. Next, forbid, prohibit, prevent, bar. Bar means not to permit and disallow. A word may have different meanings as well, but over here bar is to prohibit or to forbid or to stop, to ban, B-A-N. Ban is forbid. Some more word, fraud, deceit, deception, tricky and duplicity. So, some words for the word fraud. Fury, anger, rage, wrath, one very small word, ire. Words for fury, gussa. Gaiety, joyous, happiness, mirth. Next, genuine, true, factual, authentic are words for genuine. Glorious, splendid, marvelous, gorgeous, superb. Gracious, kind, polite, cordial. A few words for gracious. Grief, sorrow, sadness, distress, misery. It's nothing to do with miser. Don't get confused with that word. Miser is person who does not spend money, but this word is misery. Next is anguish. Some words for grief. Grievous, which causes grief, painful, sorrowful, dreadful and tragic. So, the usage of the words can change as well. Hamper, hinder, obstruct, impede, to prevent and inhibit is hamper. Haphazard, disorganized, purposeless or chaotic. Chaotic means in a haphazard way. Jaldbazi, bedhange is the Hindi terminology. Hostile is the opposite of friendly. So, hostile means unfriendly, opposing, aggressive, dushmani, belligerent. See a nice word, belligerent, B-E-L-L-I-G-E-R-A-E-N-T is a synonym for hostile. Literal meaning unfriendly. Next, humane. Humane means kind, merciful, compassionate. Compassion means kind. So, compassionate means daya. Humane. Humiliate, embarrass, disagree, to degrade, dishonor, and one more term, demean. Demean means humiliate, to insult someone. Hindi meaning apman. Next word, humility, modesty, meekness, politeness. There should always be humility in our behavior. So, these were some words. Practice them, use them in your sentences, and see you again in the next lecture with some more words to enrich your word power. Till then, thank you all and all the very best.